What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Captain Price with Captain Price Reacts, and today we gon' be watching SCATPACKS Drea POV 2. SCATPACKS I'm tongue tied. Every turn in the rain. Oh, so swerving in the rain. We know we got the juice, baby.
YouTube, what's good with y'all, man? It's your boy SRT Drea, and I'm back with another video, man. By the title, y'all can tell, man, I'm finna be cutting up in the rain, man. I got another scat pack. My partner got another. Hold on, look, he already. Huh? Behind you. Got to show me something. I mean, you just got that motherfucker. Show me something. But this guy, his man, he ready to show out already. Man, look, man, make sure y'all like this video, man. We in the rain. We supposed to have a whole storm coming. There's supposed to be a whole storm coming. We out here in the rain. It just got through raining. I don't know if it's gonna keep raining or what. Bro said he want to show out. Said it's raining, it's time to get busy. I said, come on. Shit, I ain't got nothing better to do. You already showing out. Listen, man, my homeboy just got a scat. I think he gonna have it for like 5 days. He about bad as me when I got mine. I couldn't sit down. I like it.
How long it been now?
Folks in the city getting cars, man. We can like really do stuff. And I got my dog back there in the BMW behind us, man. I got my dog Angel back there in the BMW behind us. His already geeked up. Don't think that BMW slow, man. Just be running too.
I realized something.
But I don't want.
Like, I ain't realized my man told me this shit. My man's the BMWs, more money you put into them, the faster they go. Facts.
60 camera already, everything.
And then Nissan.
Boy, I ain't trying to play with them fools, man. I don't really want to talk too much, man. I just want to, you know what I'm saying? But y'all think y'all rock with the way I be speaking, so it don't even matter. You know what I'm saying? We do what we got to do. My boy got look. What these folks? No, that shit right. Tony got to show me something. He don't want to come out here and get busy.
I ain't gonna do it. I'll wait till 8.
I ain't even got my car in that mode though. And no, I still ain't learned the paddle yet, so don't, man, come on, man, don't come over here playing with me, trying to beat me down. By not learning them. I'm gonna learn them. You gotta sit back with me. I only had the car for 2 months. What y'all, like, what? What y'all want me to do? Hold on. Got the head. Woo! Got the head. Every time. Take that. Sucks. Nah, on a rainy day though, it's crazy.
My co-worker about to purchase a red eye. I just thought about that. They just said he left work early to get a red eye. I'm like, what? You about to get a red eye? He always getting some exotic shit. Like, it's not exotic, but it ain't exotic. It's like muscle.
Good thing I got new tires though.
See, I drive exotic. They drive muscle.
It's raining though, G. Slip and slide. We don't give a damn, huh?
Wait till the warranty up on my shit. Boy, am I the... I mean, no. All engine work.
let me chill. Ooh, I ain't gonna lie, chat. They got a little scary right there, chat. Trying to hit something for that goddamn tongue. Got wiggly skiggly.
Boy, I can't wait till this weekend, bro. Hey, Mo is about to be lit.
Ooh, I gotta put that thing back in play.
You know I got that juice, baby. I'm about to be tearing it up.
Hey, baby.
You hear me? I get that drink in me. It's a wrap.
Why can't you know? Okay, there we go. That bread about did it though. No count. I don't know, chat. That bread about hey, that made me a little scared. Right? My stomach a little queasy. I got to hit the thing. Let me hit it. Next summer, gonna be like slanging. Gonna be crazy. Cause everybody getting their cars. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, we doing, we. My boy said he wanna go to the trench. Definitely gonna be dark on this one. Another dark POV. It get dark about 7:30. It's raining about 7. I don't know. Is it me or not? But when it rains and it get dark early, it seems like it must dark a little earlier.
Shut up! Barking. I'm gonna see if they're gonna come in.
Trench.
Danny! Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, Cricky Ricky. Come here. Come here, girl. They be tweaking. Dogs be tweaking. Love them, though. Just be barking. They probably eating dinner.
Yeah, sauce.
Barking. About nothing.
And I just changed, hey chat, I just changed the brakes on my cars. I mean, okay. Whatever. And I just changed the brakes on my car. We'll do it. It don't matter, chat. We'll do it. You know, I ain't, oh man, the laws.
What are you talking about? One of my little young meaners, John, like, post some shit. I'm like, okay, I see you.
Oh man, I don't know if y'all seen chat, the laws in the cuttery. You better go. Yeah, oh, you better go ahead to put the laws in the cut. This nigga show out and the police literally. That one went all hitting. I tell this for the police in the cut. Hell no. Yeah, I cut up some other police sitting right there, he waiting.
Or, you know I got
Not
that.
finna go for it, boy. I am getting booked.
Danny.
Hell
Golly.
no.
Danny. Come here.
Hey! You must ain't see that police. I said you must ain't see that police. You ain't see that
Come
police,
here, boy.
did you?
Come here. What's wrong?
Yeah, he was in the cut. He just sitting there. That's why I said, no, go ahead. Hell
I
no.
figured that. I figured it was because of dinner.
Man, don't matter. We can ride wherever. Told you, but he must ain't. I knew he didn't see the police.
I don't know what my mother could have.
You telling me like play like I'm crazy good, man. We know if we see police, but hell nah, chill out. Cause like, if you'd have went that way, only thing we would did was ran right back into him behind him. Cause it ain't nothing but a one way in, one way out. So we just came right back around. He would have seen us. He would have heard us. You gonna need a whole new tank of gas. Got by the time we down out here. I can tell you that. All right, well, now we got the beam behind us. Fuck the Beamers, man. Just in case y'all didn't know, I really love Beamers too.
Okay.
Might nigga out the, you know what I'm saying, snatch me one up one of these days of myself. I got one in mind.
M3, right. M3, huh? Them M3s be looking sexy and they fast too.
Got the boats up in this rain. Woo! We're having boats out.
Oh my gosh, I can't find a hairdresser before Saturday.
3 of us too.
Technically before Friday. I work 2 jobs on Friday. Need a hairdresser, bro. I know I need that shit. I'm gonna call my
So
little,
boom, I think I found it too, boy.
one of my little hairdressers up.
Right here. We going to this open parking lot right here.
Need that money. I probably go
Might
to
spend
her.
it one time. Police be riding right here though.
Yeah.
Gotta find someone different. Police be riding right here too bad. They gonna come over there like, man, hell nah. The f is y'all doing? Y'all niggas think y'all better than everybody else? Y'all ain't get y'all goddamn goof ass about these people parking spots, parking lots, doing all that. Good little ride, man. We just riding on a rainy day. Ain't man, what else you gonna do on a rainy day? Sit in the crib, man. We outside, B.
You hear me?
You know what? Somebody needs some brakes and go, who it ain't? Me. To change mine today. Now what? Go what? But yeah. Nothing. Just change them. I didn't even got probably changed them an hour ago. How about that? Really like my hood out here. If we being completely honest.
I thought y'all was gonna cut up in the rain.
Going through the hoods. Fences. I got some deep stupid ass speed bump.
I'd be heated.
I ain't even got my shit in that mode to be in here goddamn playing with these folks like that out here.
They see some exotic shit, they get the busting on themselves. Bitches be pleasing. I'm trying to tell you. Damn, how many speed bumps is it? It's like, that's how you know that's the hood,
that
bro.
thing on in that mode, and when I leave from that, when I bounce up off from out there, I'm going back into that other mode. I'm feeling you, bro. Got my power off, man. Come on, man.
I ain't fucking with you, bro.
I'm finna keep it on, man. We finna cut up in the rain, then. I just released the cut up. I guess we'll get right back to it. Can I hit it? We're gonna stay in that mode, then. Hell with it. This nigga wanna cut up, man.
Hey, why I don't see you cutting up?
Hey, I just said that. I said, okay, this nigga wanna cut up. Let's just cut up then.
That's what I'm saying to you.
Hey, is we gonna
Wanna go to Fleetwood?
We go to the fleet. What about Highlands? Man, come on. No, I just said I just did a cut up video. I knew it. Like, I just did a cut up video, man. You wanna do another cut up video, then we'll hit you back with another cut up video then. Let's do it. It's raining, twin. gonna do it, let's do it all the way. I seen that before.
Oh yeah, he drift in the corner like
You
that.
don't yet like me. That's what it is. You don't know it yet, y'all. They came out, they heard these, but hold on now. This I see, he gonna show out every time. I don't even have my tracks now. It turned out to be goddamn sitting here playing like that. Get what? Now we're going to off somewhere else now.
He try like, boy, he gotta get an outside camera for real.
No, chat. Shit. No, I'm a little old. After a while. Hey, I'm a little old, chat. After a while, that rain. And that darkness started making me a little squeaky.
I'm trying to tell you. Boy, nigga be late at work. Fuck around that rain, boy. I'm trying to tell you how you knock. It's early as shit, Jose.
I can just feel this slide. God, I have time. Hey, them 2 front brakes, too, them $100-something too. Ain't too bad. We might can slide. We might can slide back here. Hopefully we don't get in trouble, bro. It's open parking lot. Who the f going? Who they trying to get in contact with? Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah, I like that. I like that right there. How about you? I like that. I like it.
You feel that shit close to the curb.
Word. Hey, I like that right now. How about you, OG? Hey, I like that. Yeah. Back to back, man. Make sure y'all like this video up, man. Subscribe, man. It's raining like a... I'm finna go home. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all like the video up, man. Subscribe if you're new, man. We're on the road to 100K, man. When we hit 100K, we're gonna get that thing wrapped. All types of shit on the way, man. Make sure y'all like the video, man. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. I'm gone, man. Brr, brr.
So if y'all new to the channel, go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on notifications. I will see y'all in the next